Welcome to our tutorial on how to quickly archive a chat on Gmail on your PC. Keep your inbox organized and clutter-free with these simple steps. Let's dive in. To begin, open gmail.com on your PC to access your Gmail account. Next, search for the specific message that you want to archive within your inbox. Hover your cursor over the message to reveal additional options. Locate and click on the archive icon, typically found on the right side of the message. By clicking the archive icon, you will efficiently move the selected message to the archived folder, decluttering your inbox. Archiving chats on Gmail helps you store important messages without them occupying space in your main inbox. By following these steps, you can quickly archive chats on Gmail on your PC, ensuring a clean and organized email management system. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy a streamlined Gmail experience by promptly archiving chats on your PC, making email organization a breeze.